PDMReport tool from the myPDMtools suite allows you to create reports using pre-configured queries. These can be run either directly via the PDM context menu or on a predefined schedule. To set up a report, simply open myPDMtools and select the PDMReport section. We will start by selecting the columns that will appear in the report. Just click on the options icon, then in the general options section we will add the variables to be displayed in the report. It is also possible to set up exporting to Excel or CSV format. Let's define the name of the template. We will select an existing Excel template to use for exporting our report. As well as the starting position of the report in the Excel file. Two options allow us to not export the column names and to generate an Excel file for each query. We will now use the Add Report icon to create a new report. We need to give the report a name and define the context menu that will generate the report. We will also select the previously added template. In the next window, you can define the user groups that will be able to generate the report. In the last step, simply select a query and add it. You can add several requests, for example, to get system history. Some queries require parameters to be defined. For example, the project size on disk query requires us to define the folder that we wish to measure the size of. Finally, we will add a query that will allow us to obtain the list of duplicated files. In the case of a periodic schedule, simply set up the tool from a PDM task and then set the schedule. To obtain the report, simply use the PDM context menu. A simple click will now allow us to obtain a personalised Excel report.